Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to design a Facebook video story on the VistaCreate application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the plus icon at the bottom of the screen, and in the animated design section you can find the Facebook video story option. Here you can find different templates, and if you want to add one to your if you want to select one, just click that and click to the use this template button. You can edit this template. If you want to add the photo to your project, just click to the photos button at the lower left corner of the screen, and here you can search different photos, or go to the uploads button, and here you can upload images from your device. If you want to change the text, just click to the text box, delete the text and write. You can select another font type, and in the style button you can edit the font size and different adjustments. In the object section you can search different objects and just select one, and you can move and you can edit the size. In the animation section you can find different animations, and in the video section you can search videos or upload videos from your device. And in the music section you can search different music. For example, go to the summer button, and if you want to add one, just click to the plus icon and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.